Hey there, Matt here again. Now, I wanted to talk to you about a common question we always get asked is, should I use gas or electric? Now, it depends on what the actual situation you are and so on and so forth. So this is an XL trailer, and you'll see it's got electric deep fryer and electric griddle in there. The problem is, okay, that it does use a lot of power, okay? Now, if you're just using electric griddle, not so bad. If you're using one side of a electric deep fryer, not so bad, but once you combine them all together, it starts to use a lot, okay? So almost every time these XLs, we upgrade to gas work, we put a firewall in there, we actually put gas pipe work and so on and so forth, all certified and signed off by a licensed gas fitter. Now, let me show you the other way, okay? What I'm actually talking about. I'll take you over, and this answers the question while at the same time showing you, okay? So this is actually our Maxi Elite. So this is our Maxi Elite here. Now, you'll see this has been hooked up with gas work, okay? So the big benefit is, gets hotter, easier, faster, okay? And then also faster recovery time. Now you can see it's a lot bigger. So to upgrade it and add gas in, it does add an extra cost. But I always say to people that I'm talking to on the phone, you're paying for it one way or the other. You're paying for it in lost time, right? And generators, or you're just paying for it up front. Long term, you have to spend more money to get a gas setup, but it's much, much better. Now, not everything can be gas. For example, the lights and the fridges and so on and so forth, they can't be gas, but it really brings your overall power consumption down and allows you to have a much better, much more efficient trailer, because you can have this working, and everything working along together. Hopefully that really helps you understand which is the benefit between gas or electric.